What's up you guys? Welcome to another Python tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna take all the knowledge that you've learned from past tutorials and put it all together and just freaking blend it and use it to write this piece of program right here. So what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna create a variable, and that variable will and then we're gonna create an input value, and then we're gonna use that and check if you got an A on a test, B on a test, C on a test, D on a test, or you failed that test. So guys, I'm gonna type it real quick. Just follow along with me, and then after that I'm gonna explain each and every single line of code specifically. So just type with me. So type variable grade. Don't worry about spelling. Integer, input, enter your right here. Okay, go here and then say if grade is greater than 90, equals A. If you got a grade and your grade is more than 90, you will get an A. I'm gonna explain everything specifically, but now just type with me. Else if grade is greater than 80 and grade grade less than 90, amount is equal to B. Else if your grade is greater than 70 and your grade is less than 80, we want you to have what? C? C is good? C is good. Okay. We have two more, so else if grade is greater than what? Greater than 60 and grade. I'm gonna explain everything, guys, don't worry. And between 60 and 70, that deserves a D. Last one, if you got less than 60, if grade is less than 50, unfortunately it will fail. So that's F, and then want to print the result amount. Alright, let me walk you through step by step on what I did right now. So what we did, I explained this before, we created a variable and we stored our input in a variable called grade. I don't know if I spelled that right or wrong, but hey, who cares? So our input will be converted to an integer. And then the first line of code will do this. Is grade, which is the number that we inputted, is it greater than 90? If it is, store A in amount. Check the second one. Is grade greater than 80 and less than 90? Store B in amount. So check if 80 check if grade is between 80 and 90. In this line of code, check if grade is between 70 and 80. And if that's true, store in amount store C in amount. Then this line, it will do the same thing, which is check if grade is between 60 and 70. If that's true, store D in amount. And the last thing is if 50 is greater than your grade, give that student an F, which is failure, unfortunately. So if we run this code real quick and test it out, we'll see how everything works. So if we type in 95, so I'm gonna try to print each of these. So if I type 95, it should print A. So it did right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the reason why I did that is this. I inputted 95, which is stored in grade, and it said if grade is greater than 90, store A in amount, and if that's true, print this. Guys, only one of all these statements must be executed, and if it is, it will just get out and get printed. So let's try another one. What if I got an F? So I must get less than 50. So 49, that should be good enough to get an F. So enter F. I got an F. What if I want to get a C? So that should be number greater than 70 and less than 80. A C, how about 76? If I press enter, it should give me a C. And it gave me a C. And the reason why I did that is it said, okay, this is not the case, this is not the case. Oh, this is the case, this is not the case, this is not the case. So print whatever the case that it ran. So if none of these were true, guys, this code will not print anything. But because I inputted a number that is greater, that is between 70 and 80, that's why it gave me a C, which is pretty alright. Talking about C's and A's and B's, guys, I took a discrete math class and I got a D+. That is not cool, but hey, I'm doing CS stuff, and yeah, life is good. Life is good. All right. So what you've learned in this tutorial is basically all what you've learned from past tutorials, and like took all that knowledge and just put it in one nice, beautiful, simple program. Guys, I'm gonna be covering more stuff in the future, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in future tutorials. So yeah, peace out.